Join us today for a summer showdown between two popular cocktails. Are you team Pimm's or team Aperol? Let us know in the comments. We're going to make a sorbet and an ice cream to see which we like best. So you'll notice that both of these are non-branded versions of the drinks. We've been reading some reviews recently that have been saying that these versions are just as good as the branded versions, so we're putting that to the test too. So we will be making a Pimm's sorbet and an Aperol Spritz ice cream. I think I'm going to like the Aperol Spritz best, but let's see how it goes. Let us know what you think in the comments too. So we're going to show you how to make both of these recipes, and then we're going to rate them on taste, complexity to make, and value for money. So see what we think at the end. So for this, we're just going to mix the water and sugar, heat them up as if you were making a simple syrup. So I'm going to add in the water, put some heat under, and then add in the sugar. And then we just need to get the sugar to dissolve into the water there. So it will just take a little while to heat up. So you can tell it's already starting to dissolve, but we're not quite there yet. And you can see there now that we haven't got any grains of sugar left in that. Now we need to let it cool. So for the Pimm's sorbet, first up we have some cucumber. We have peeled and removed the seeds and watery bit from the middle. We've got some fresh mint from the garden, strawberries that we've removed the stalks from, sadly not from the garden, some lemon juice, some orange juice, and of course the Pimm's. So I'm going to mix this all up together. So cucumber, strawberries, mint, oh, missed a bit, lemon juice, and orange juice, and of course not forgetting the all-important Pimm's. So I'm just going to whiz that up. Right, so that's nice and mixed now. I'm not sure about the colour, but it smells good. So next I'm going to add in the sugar syrup. Now this has cooled down quite a lot, so it's about room temperature now, and I'm just going to add that into the top. And then put that back in and just give it a bit of a blitz there to mix that up to make sure it's all mixed in. Then get to making, so I'm just going to pour this in our tub. Oh, it smells amazing. The mint in there just smells so fresh, and it just does smell lovely. Right, there we go, one for the freezer. Right, so this is the recipe for the Aperol Spritz ice cream. So we have got the Aperol, Prosecco, orange zest, condensed milk, and double cream. So this is hopefully going to be very yummy. It's got lots of good things in it. So first of all, I'm going to add in the double cream. I'm just going to scoop that in. And then the condensed milk. And strangely reminds me of Mexico because of some of the desserts we had in Mexico when I was there many years ago. And I'm just going to give that a bit of a mix because they're probably the thickest things, hardest to mix together. And then I'm going to add in the orange zest. Well, that smells nice. Fresh orange zest always smells good, doesn't it? That smells very good. And then the Aperol. And then last but not least, Prosecco. Just give that a bit of a mix. And then into the container it goes. Trying not to spill any. So we've got both of our mixes now ready to go in the freezer. So our ice cream Aperol Spritz and our Pimm's sorbet. Let us know what you think is going to be the winner. Which team would you be on? Ice cream or sorbet, Aperol Spritz or Pimm's? We'll join you tomorrow for our taste test. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Inspired by the Journey so you don't miss out on our weekly recipes. Hi, so our ice cream and sorbet have been in the freezer for 24 hours now. So we're gonna mix them up and then get tasting. So I wonder if the ones that were easiest are gonna be the ones that taste best. So it's rather warm this evening, and so both of these are slightly on the soft side of things and could certainly benefit from going in the freezer for a little bit longer in between mixing them and serving them. But I just couldn't wait to try them and to tell you what they tasted like. Right, so now for the important bit, the taste test. So Aperol Spritz ice cream. It's got a really, really creamy consistency and flavour. Quite a subtle Aperol Spritz flavour, but you can certainly taste it there. I think some people find Aperol Spritz quite overpowering in flavour, but I think that's quite subtle and nice. And then the Pimm's sorbet. Oh wow, that has got a really, really nice flavour to it. I thought the cucumber in it was going to be a bit strange, but actually that's really, really well balanced with the mint and the strawberries and the Pimm's. So we said we would rate them on terms of cost, taste, and the ease to make. With the ease to make, definitely the Aperol Spritz. That was far easier to make, far less prep. Value for money, that's the Aperol Spritz again. There was less ingredients, less fresh ingredients in it, which certainly helped with the cost. But for the taste, it's going to be the Pimm's for me. I would love to know what you would think, especially if you try them both. Let us know in the comments if you try them both, which you prefer or which you think you would prefer.